Little did Vampire know, Ignia discovered the dick-sucking stench on his cold vampire breath.
Come into these arms again and lay your body down.
Shut the fuck up!
In this kind of trouble, only one mutant can save us. Triple Milli X Angel.
Absolutely useless. Absolutely.
The nurses all gathered round, and they gazed in wide wonder at the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell
Absolutely.
that I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone.
Wrap around, wrap around.
Wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around,
So-
wrap around.
Bad to the bone.
No boots, of course. No boots, no brain. Standard Georgie play. Standard.
No.
Guys, it might take a lifetime, and some ranked points will be lost. But let's think about it.
One life, one life, one life. Do 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 life, one life, one life, one life. Do 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 life, do 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 do.
Well played, Bloodseekers. Wow.
He's in trouble now. He's in trouble now. What's he gonna do? Huh? Bro, shut the fuck up. You're the one who died here, bro. You're the one who died fucking here. Shut the fuck up when you're speaking with me. I'm your master. Obey me, you fucking idiot. Obey me. And I will fucking spare your life, you fucking Mongolian shit. Goofy. Bro, shut the fuck up. You don't know the sense of that word. Bro, you don't know how to fucking spell in English a word. At my mercy you are, you fucking imbecile. You're fucking Indian or something. Indian or Russian. I bet on my fucking life. Fucking Russian, it's easy.
Don't solo. Look what you do with ulti.
Oh, I let them all low.
You die every time.
The fuck up. Shut the fuck up, you fucking Russian, you useless shit. You don't know how to fucking speak in English. You don't know the
Where you from?
fucking basics, bro.
Where you from?
Where you from? Where you from? Fucking Russian imbecile. Oh, I guess you're almost dead, you fucking imbecile.
Don't play Gary next time.
Check my score, you fucking idiot. Better than you. Shut the fuck up.
Who is Gary? Who is Gary?
I don't understand.
Yeah, but it's so hard, it is in English. It's not your natal language. And you don't have a school where you can learn that.
Not
Fucking
my,
ancient language.
not my natal language.
Do you want me to stay AFK?
Who is Gary?
You were AFK whole game. Whole game, no Gary.
Whole
You-
game!
you
Whole
solo.
game! Whole
Who is
game!
Gary?
Whole game!